Hello guys, this is Mr. Agbamu Idanogrene. I want to show you how you can reduce the size of your video in case you want to upload it in YouTube or other internet that you wish to use your video. You know, when your video size is very large, it may take time for you to upload it into other softwares. For example, you can see the size of this video, 244 MB. You can see that this megabyte is very large, and the length of this video is just 8 minutes 7 seconds. You can see it there, 8 minutes 7 seconds. So how do I reduce this large size of a megabyte? At least let it be more comfortable, and I will still get the same quality. So this was the video I recorded when I did my video on how you can flip.
Hello guys, flip.
You can see it now.
Let's imagine you record your video in this way now, and you want to leave it at auto.
So I want to
leave this one
reduce the size
auto.
of this video. Let me close it. So let me reduce the size of this video so that we can have a reasonable amount from 244 to a very lower megabyte. So what I also need to do this, I need the Handbrake software. You can see I've already opened my Handbrake, and all it's telling me is to drop the file I need there. So I go to the folder. So this is the file, just to drag it. So you click and drag it there. So it's coming up there now. So that is it. So it's there now. Then what do I need next? You need to do your setting. So this web optimize, you put it there. Then that is all in this side. Then dimension, I want it to be the same like this. Then filter, so I don't need to click on the flip here. No, this was what I clicked in my last video in case you want to flip it to mirror effect. So I don't need this one, so you leave this. Then you come to video. So this is where you do most of your settings. So I can also come here and do my settings, reduce the size here, but I don't want to use this in this reduction. I want to use this average bitrate to do it. 2-pass encoding. Make sure the 2-pass encoding is checked, and this one is also checked. So take note of that. So you need to put the number of the bitrate here. So the number to put here, you need to know it based on the video. So this is the video I want to reduce the size. Just to go to the properties of the video. Let's see the properties. Let's go to the details. So under details you can see it. So the bitrate here you can see is 4194. You can see it, 4194. So I want to reduce it to a very minimum size so that the megabyte can drop, and I will still retain the same quality. Then the audio rate is 194, so I'll reduce both of them so that we have a good quality. So take note of that. From 4000 bitrate, I'll come here now. I want to reduce it to like 100. See, this 100 now. Then that is the video bitrate. Then the audio, let me take it to 64. So I'm left it at 64. Alright, so let's go back to this place. You can see, so I've reduced the video bitrate to 100 kilobytes per second. Then the audio, I left it at 64 kilobytes per second. So that is it. So you can see it. I've dropped it, the video on, I've dropped it to 100, while the audio I've left it at 64. So this will be okay for us. Then 2-pass encoding is checked. Then in this place you can make it very slow. When it's very slow, it will give you a good quality, give you the best quality, especially at this placebo mode, to give you the best quality. But because of time, let me put it at fast and put it at very fast. They will still have the same result. The effect will not be different, so you see that the quality will be the same. So the next thing I need to do now is, where do I want to save the video? Under save as, we click on browse, then I want it to be in recovery folder here. This is where I want it to save. So I want it to be saved in this place. Then you click on save. So I've achieved that. The next thing I need to do now is leave this as auto, leave this at auto. So that is that. Every other thing is okay. Then another thing is the frame rate. Let's just leave it as same as source. Let the frame rate be same as source. Okay, so that is all. The next thing is to get your start encoding now, and yeah, okay with the settings. So let's start encoding. Say the destination directory is low on disk, so that I cannot save it in that place. My recovery folder where I'm saving it to it's not enough. The megabyte, the size is low. So let me change the browsing place. Let me save it in desktop. Okay, so I'm saving it in desktop now. Alright, so it will go to desktop. So every other setting is okay. 100 bitrate, so everything is set. Then start. Okay, see now it's going now. Okay, so when it starts going, it will start counting in this place. You can see it started counting. See, so this is the I'm doing 2 pass encoding. So this is the first encoding. We have 4 minutes 22 seconds. It's counting just like that. Take note of this. So as it's going, let me still play the video so this is the video we are reducing the size 244 MB. We want to reduce the size to the minimum and we still retain the same quality. So let me play the video so that you see the quality of this original video, so that we compare to what we are going to get. You can see that
hello
the
guys,
is clear. You can see
this is Mr. Agbamu Idonogrene.
So let me reduce the
show
volume.
you how you can flip.
You can see
your video.
The quality of the video. You
can see the way it's
positioned.
Then
You can see how
go
the
to
video
your
is bright
folder
here.
where you save leave it at
So that is the video we are reducing the quality now.
18.
The size.
Other one subtitle.
Okay. So that is it.
You didn't click on flip, you will not be able to read. It has been flipped now. Now you can read this one
video now.
well.
So this is the video we want to reduce
this is all I want you to learn.
Size.
You see,
so when the encoding is over,
here is group A.
You see what will happen now. So this is the video.
You can read this
okay,
one very well now.
Off it. Okay. So it's still counting. You can see it. It's still going. So when it's true, you will to write Q finished. Okay. So take note of that. Okay, you can see it now. So this is pass 2 of 2 is encoding now. It's almost true. So this is the timing now. So 0 seconds left. So you can see Q finished. So the encoding has finished now. So let's check the size now. Let's remove this. So this was the video we tried to reduce. You can see the megabyte is 244 MB. The length of the video is 8 minutes 7 seconds. You can see it here. So this is the one we just did now. So this is the one we did. Remember, we saved it at the desktop. So if you leave it there, you can see now the megabyte is 10 megabyte. You can imagine. You can see 10 megabyte, and the length of this video still remains 8 minutes 7 seconds. You can see it. So just compare both of them. You can see this one. The old one is this 244 MB 8 minutes 7 seconds. It has been reduced to 10 megabyte 8 minutes 7 seconds. So let me play this. Let's compare the quality if it's the same with this former one. So if I play it now, just watch, you'll see you are going to get the same quality. Can't you see the same quality?
Hello guys,
no difference.
This is Mr. Agba,
and it's okay. Can't you see it?
Alright, so this is Handbrake.
Same quality.
So this is how it comes
same
up
brightness. You can read it.
It's not well
Nothing
presented.
has really changed.
All I was trying to do in
it.
this video, I'm trying to teach.
Video is okay and it's fine. You see it. Still sharp and it's bright.
So that is all. 30
see
seconds left.
just like that. So that's one beauty of the Handbrake software. You can see it. The video is still clear. You can read this. Group A mathematics.
All I'm writing here is Group A maths.
So this is one beauty of the Handbrake software. You can use it to reduce the size of your video, and you will see retain the same quality. So it's a very good software that you can use, especially when you want to upload your video in YouTube and other software. You can actually save that data, or you can save your time of uploading and still get the same quality. You can see that the qualities are still the same. There is no difference. So that is that. So that is this. From 244 MB, it has been reduced to 10 MB. You can see it, and the same quality is done. If I play the 244 MB, which is this, you will see. You can see it's the same quality. You can see it. Can't you see everything is still the same? No difference. They are fine and neat. You can see it. So that is all. You can see it. We still have the same quality. So thank you for watching. Hope you like my video. So till next time when I come with another interesting video. Have a nice day.